Everyone, we will here make Tita and Ulfa fried rice. First, we prepare the ingredients and tools. The ingredients are rice, oil, flour, biscuits, can leno to tasty, garlic, cucumber, and also balsam. The tool are rubbing, frying pan, spatula, and knife. Step to make fried rice is to prepare rice and make spices. And here are the steps for make the marinade. And here are the after that add the oil and enter the spices. After that, enter the eggs until the aroma smells. Do not forget to enter the rice. It's so yummy! After that, stir until smooth, while adding soy sauce and flavor spices to tasty. Plating time. Okay guys, thanks for watching.